name is Monolink. This is my masterclass.
This is my last letter.
I'm gonna show you my studio. We're gonna talk about all my gear.
I have found their truth.
I'm gonna show you my influences and how I develop an idea.
Keep the wheel in spin.
We're gonna break a track down and go into the details of my production and how I came up with my song, The Prey. We're also gonna talk about the business side of being a musician. I'm gonna show you my live setup, how I play live. If you want to learn how I create my music and my sound, then this masterclass is for you.